Greetings everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we have Drafthorse AI. Now this is an amazing platform for bulk SEO or search engine optimization and article writer. So if you want to get an access and extended free trails and exclusive benefits, you can use the link in the description of this video that will lead you to its way for amazing rewards. Now talking about the platform Drafthorse, you can use this AI based tool to simply create an article report. So you simply need to enter your name in here in this section, like for example my first article about marketing, and then make sure to keep it small, or we can simply name it marketing, and after that we can select a language. English looks good, and various other fields needs to be simply filled, like for example report type, call to action. If you want to add any call to action, you can do that as well, and if you want to enter or provide it an XML file or call a spreadsheet file, you can provide it that as well. We have various keywords below, and finally click on create report. Your report will be created according to your desired information that you have provided. You have indexing tab. Here you have indexing. If you want to learn more, they have official tutorial about that as well on their platform. You can go in depth about that there. In the settings you can have control about the name of your site, logos you want to change, and auto indexing. So if you want to go through their tutorials, they have a lot of options. You can see their pricings and plans. The free one comes completely for free. We have a professional for $49 and a custom, which could be ranging from $100 to $4,000 depending upon the requirements. So yeah guys, that is pretty much it. I hope you learned something new. If you did so, you can head over to the link in the description to get extended free trails and exclusive benefits on these platforms, like for example Drafthorse AI. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.